You don't just come in and do the same thing every day. You get a new experience, a new outlet to be able to try new things. Really kind of makes the job fun and look forward to going to work every day. So a lot of service departments are going to be doing mostly residential situations and problems. So you're going to be under sinks, cleaning out toilets, doing a lot of things that most plumbers don't necessarily want to get into. JRT as a whole deals in commercial and industrial. That's what we're catering to in our service department. Everyone has a new challenge, and every time you overcome whatever obstacle was in place, it leaves you with a high from the last job. So I mean, this year we've done quite a few projects that I've been really excited about. We did 10-inch chill blinds for Clark College, their chiller plant. We redid that job. We've done a boiler change out at WSU. We did a boiler change out at Hazeldale Elementary, and that required quite a bit of repiping. We also did Victaulic on that. We also did a copper Victaulic system for Columbia County Sheriff's Office, redoing their hot water system. And all of those had their unique challenges, but are really a lot of fun to kind of walk away from knowing like you did a good job and everybody's really happy with the outcome. Our real focus is on the commercial field, and so that makes us light years difference from any other service shop. Honest, loyal, driven, and positive.